Hello Stampers, I'm Kelly Acheson at astampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. I'm excited to be sharing a video with you today. I've gotten a lot of questions lately and I thought that I would pick out a few topics and just address those and answer your questions and hopefully help you have a better internet experience as a stamper. So let's get started. I'm going to do a screen recording with you to show you a few things. So how to find a Facebook Live. When somebody says they're live, I go live every Sunday night at 7 p.m. But if you're looking for a Facebook Live, I get a lot of questions and it's usually at the last minute. How do I find your live? And it's like, I can't answer you because I'm going live right now. So I wanted to be able to have a little video to reference. And I know a lot of people get very confused by this because it's kind of weird. The other thing is, where is your shopping list? I get that question a lot. Where is your store? And also, when I talk about the YouTube description under the video, I think there's a lot of confusion as to where to locate that. And believe me, it took a long time to learn all this stuff. And I know that it can be very confusing, and I want you to, like I said, have a better experience online as a stamper. So let's get started and I'll give you a few tips. There's a couple subjects that I want to hit upon in this short video. One of them that I get asked often is, how do I find your Facebook Live? And I want to show you how to do that. So I actually, let's see. We're going to go open up Facebook. Now, I'm not responsible for the content that's going to show on here, so just know that. You never know what your friends are going to be throwing through here on your news feed, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my A Stamp Above Your Creative Coach page. This is where I do my Facebook Lives. And if you want to locate this, you can type it right in here, okay? If you start typing it, you will see that A Stamp Above Your Creative Coach. You're going to click on that if it pops up. Otherwise, just type it in. You're going to click on it again. And now we're on my Facebook page. Now, where do you find that live Facebook that I'm doing? I'm doing a video tutorial right now. Where do you find it? You are going to go down. This is last week's, and how you know that is it'll say right here, when was this posted? So if it happens to be December 23rd and you're looking for a live, this says that I was live, but that's old. You're going to continue down a little further and you're going to find a new live. And I'm going to show you that because I happen to have one going in a private page right now. So if we went to this private page, we are going to click on the title to refresh the screen. And now this says that I was live 7 minutes ago. This says that I'm live right now. Okay, so you want to pass by that first video. I usually have that one from last time pinned to the top of the page. Then I go live again, and this says that I am live. And how do you watch this? You just click on this button. December 23rd, and you're looking for a live. This says that. I'm just going to mute that for now. You click on that button. Now, if you want to see this in a bigger screen, you're going to click this right here. When you click that, it takes you to this big screen. You're going to see all the comments coming in on this side. I will have my camera facing this way instead of up and down, so you will have this whole area to watch me live. Leave comments. You can click on the like button. That always helps me. If you come down here, if you see something you like and you're like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. If you click that, look what it does. It pops little hearts up on the screen. If there's something funny, you can click that and you're going to click up the little funny guy that's laughing. You can give a thumbs up and keep clicking that. Those are just fun things you can do. You want to leave comments over here because that'll get you entries in to win some of my prize drawings. Okay, the next thing I wanted to cover with you is I've had a lot of people asking me, where is your shopping cart? Like, where is your store? So this is my blog, and all you need to do to get to my blog is type in astampabove.com. And every time I have a YouTube video, I say, this is Kelly Acheson at astampabove.com. That's the address for my website. So once you get here, you can come right over here and click on that Order Online button. That's where you're going to find my store. And when we click on that, it opens up the store. You're going to see my name right here. You can go down here and shop by items. Click on these, or if you know the item code for what you want, you can put it right in here. I know that Whisper White cardstock is that item code. Click on it. Takes you right to the store. If you want to add it to your bag, add it there. I recommend that you create an account if you don't have one. If you already do have an account, and you go to put your password in here and it doesn't work, you need to go down here and click on Forgot My Password. Let's look at that again. Click on Forgot My Password. Put your email address in. Stampin' Up! Will email you the password. So that's my store. Easy peasy. The next thing I wanted to show you is a lot of you are asking, where is my host code? Here it is right here. You want to use that when you're ordering from me because number one, it helps me out to be able to give you prize drawings, number one. And number two, I have some special perks with that. So use that host code when you're placing your orders. You're also going to find all the catalogs here. And this is where my online classes are. Get a lot of people asking, how do I find your online classes? They're in that right column. I just added the Serene Garden online class. We talked about that last week. I also have Snowflake Showcase. If you have that bundle of products, you can't get it anymore. First Frost, Rooted in Nature, Blended Seasons, Tranquil Textures, Buried Vases, Abstract Impressions, and I have an old one, the Coffee Cafe online class. This is a really fun class. So that's where you find my online classes. Lots of the items you're looking for on people's blogs are going to be in this right-hand column. You can email me. You can subscribe to my blog here. That way it'll come into your inbox in your email every day when I add something new. You can look at the catalogs. The next question that I've been getting is from my YouTube followers. Now, there's a lot of information that I put in my YouTube videos, and I want to show you where that is. So when you go to YouTube, you can just type in my name, and you can see here that it says Kelly Acheson channel. It's coming up because I've searched it before. But you're just going to type in Kelly Acheson. It's going to take you here, and yep, there I am. Here's a bunch of my videos, but you're going to click on my name, and that'll take you to this screen. Now, what is this? You want to go right here and click on videos. And when you do that, that is going to bring up a whole huge page of my videos. Now, these videos you're not going to be able to see because they are marked private. This is my online class. I also do some training videos for my team, and you're not going to even see these. I'm seeing it because I'm logged into my account. But the one thing that I want you to be able to see is, let's look at this video, for example. When you're on YouTube, if you go down below, you see this show more. Everybody says, I can't find the link to your projects, because I always tell you, all the dimensions are on my blog or on my website. So this little button right here that says show more, it looks like it doesn't do anything, but it does things. When you click on show more, you're going to find this is the link directly to that blog post. You'll also find a link to my, another link to my blog, just my general blog, my Stampin' Up! Store, my Paper Pumpkin account. You can check me out on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. And then here's a whole shopping list. When you click on these items, it'll take you right to my store. These are the same items that are listed on my blog for this particular project. And I'm going to head there right now, and yep, sure enough, here it is. And then, let's see, here's all my dimensions that I promised that I will share with you. I'm really big on that. And then here's my shopping list. And when you click on any of these items, other than the items that haven't been released yet, these two are coming out in the Occasions mini catalog. When you click on those, they're not going to take you to that product, or I should say these three. But any of the other, until January, let's get back to that. It won't take you there until January 3rd when these items are available to the public. But if you click on any of the other items, it's going to take you right to my store, right to that particular product. And you can add it to your bag if you want to go shopping. We have a year-end closeout that started a couple weeks ago, December 5th. Clearance rack, always check out the clearance rack. Oh my gosh, they just refreshed it this week, or last week, I should say. Those are just to answer some of your questions. If you guys have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I am always willing to help you out. I want to make your experience online a better experience because I know sometimes some of this techie stuff can be really frustrating, right? If you do need to order anything, you can click in the top right-hand corner of my video. That'll take you right to my blog where you'll find all the links to be able to go shop. And I would like to thank you very much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Don't forget to click down here on that subscribe button. That helps me out. You don't want to miss anything that I have coming up. And again, I hope that you had a wonderful Christmas. Bye-bye.